Yesterday we saw the first one is the virtual environment setup. Okay. And the next one we created a folder called my first project. Then we installed Django. Next, when we install Django, it is creating a virtual environment for Django project. You can see here. And then it also created the virtual environment. And then it is installing Django. And then there are two files it is created, which is called pip-lock and pip files. Okay, pip file lock. And the another one is the pip file. And then whenever we want to run this virtual environment, we need to use pip environment shell, ppnv shell. And after running the virtual environment, then only we need to run the project. Okay. So till this, it is an environment setup. Okay. Any questions, Deepa?
No, sir.
Now, after that, what we done, this is the virtual environment it is created. Then we created a project folder called my first project. Okay. And then this is what is the files it is generated, etc. Blah, 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 blah. And now, after doing that, we have a Django admin. Django admin. Using Django admin, we can create a project. That is what we created. Start project. We given the project folder. When we executed this, it created, and we will use here a dot. Why this dot is, it uses the same folder. Okay, that is the purpose of this dot. And then when we run this start project, it created this. These are the files. Okay. In this settings and manage.py and URLs is the critical files which we will see in the future. And after that, what we done is, in the start my project, right? This is the same. And then now we want to run this server. Why this run server is this application to see as a web application. First, what we done is we started the virtual environment, and then by manage run server portal port is an optional, and by default the port is 80,000. Sorry, 8,000. Okay, this is what it comes. And when we run this, we saw this Django. This is the local normal page. Okay. Now, till now, any questions, Deepa?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, now we were going to create a new app. Okay. How the Django application is? Django application is a combination of multiple apps. Okay. So we are going to create a new app. What does it mean is, now if you see here, if you see in settings, you have this apps, installed apps. Okay. Here, student is an additional one you are seeing, which it is not there in your system. Okay, we will come back what is student. Okay. But if you see, there is a default apps when you initiated a project, which came. One is called admin. The another one is authorization, content type, sessions, message, and static files. Okay, static files is predominantly to manage images, any PDFs, such type of documents. Okay, this is the settings. Now, when you go to the URLs, when we see here, okay, if there is a particular URL coming, where to redirect, that is the URL. And this is what manage.py we are using to run the server. Okay, so this is what is the, any questions so far? This is the combination. Now we can create a new app, using py manage.py start app and a new app name. Okay, now what I am doing is I'm going here in my system. You see here right now in my project, there is a student, there is a DB Lite. This is what you have. Okay, can you check in your system also what is there? You will not have student. Apart from student, you will have everything. Student you will not have. Okay.
We will create one more file in that folder.
Which folder? No, we didn't create any file as of. English, because we are recording this. Okay. Okay. Now, what is that I am trying to do here is, I am creating a university application or a college application. This is what we want to do. Okay, college application. Deepa, you are following, Deepa? Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, college application. Okay, for planning to do. Now, what we need to do when I want to create a new app within this project. See, a project will have multiple apps. Okay, one app is I already have student. That let's not worry about that. Now I am creating another app called college. Okay, Deepa, you are following, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to create an app? Py manage.py start app and app name. Okay. Py manage.py start app. It is not create. It is a start app. App name is college. Now, it's, if you go and see here, you can see here college. You are seeing, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can see here. And then here also there is something called apps.py, models.py, test.py, views.py, etc. This is what it will create. Now, can you create in your system one app, whatever the name you want to give, please give that. Please. Before that, you need to do pip environment shell. Pip environment shell. You need to start virtual environment. Then only you can run these commands. Or you want to share your screen also, share Deepa, so that I will guide you. You are sharing?
Yes, sir, I will share.
Yeah. You are sharing?
Yes, sir.
Not able to
Sir.
see your screen share.
We want to choose screen, sir.
Yeah. Step one, no. Step one, what we done is we created the app using stat app, correct? Step two, what we need to do is we need to register this app. Where we need to register is go to settings. Go to settings. Okay. Now come down to the apps. Yeah. No. Slow, man. Please go up.
Yes.
Yeah. In the apps, the last after that comma, yeah, press enter. Within single quotes, give college.
What I want.
Huh?
What I want to type, sir.
No, your app name. What app name you used? That app name. Okay. And also the comma after that comma. Okay. This is the second step. Why we are adding this, Deepa?
To register.
This is for registering the app. Okay. Now, that is the second step. Third step. Now, when any request comes to this, okay, there should be a process need to be done. Okay, process need to be done. Okay. Now we go to college. Go to college. Okay. There is a view. What is this view is? This will give you the response what need to come in the browser. Can you type here on the comment, Deepak? View, type as a comment. Yeah. View.
Sir. View.
View receives request. View receives request and process request and provides response. So all your requests to your web application will be processed by views. Got it, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the request you want to create for view for college? Can we write a request called inquiry?
Yes, sir.
Or about we will write about college? Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now what you do is write a function, press enter. How will write the function? Write a function def. Correct. Exactly. Def space. It is about. You can write a name as a about within bracket. What it takes the input because it receives the request. Correct. You see that English, right? So type
Yes.
parameter as a request. Yeah. And then what we need to do? Now we need to write the body.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write the body. Press enter. Written. HTTP response. Here you need to import first HTTP response. Okay, how will you import? Go to the top in the from import. Go to the here in the same
I see.
from Django.
No import.
Import will come later. Django dot HTTP space import HTTP response. Capital. Yes, perfect. Now take that HTTP response, come down, return. Because you remember, no, yesterday we discussed, we will receive input as a HTTP request, and then we need to return it as a HTTP response. Okay, response within bracket. Yeah, you put welcome to within bracket text within quotes. Welcome to my college, or whatever it is. Yeah, if you're writing 11 Tech, I am happy. Okay, welcome to 11 Tech. Now, what would happen? You written, can you tell me, Deepa? When they call college slash about, okay, college slash about, what will happen? It will come to
Welcome to
this.
Laventech provides.
It will display welcome to Laventech. Okay.
Yes.
But what happened now? We have a college app, and we already written a view what it returns, but we need to configure URL, right? Configure URL. Okay. Now go to URLs. Go to URLs in the my first project. Come down, not URLs. Yes. If you see here, already admin is there. Path admin means it is going to admin.site.urls.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we do here is press enter. Path within bracket, within single quotes. No, not about. About is the college, right? Under college, there might be only college, comma. That's no, forward slash will come.
Sir, out of the inverted quotes, sir, comma.
Comma. Within quotes, comma. Include. What you do is go up. After path in the import, after path, you space include. No, comma. Before include, comma. Okay. Now include within bracket. College dot URLs. within that should be in quotes. Single quote, single quote.
Okay, sir.
What we are telling is, can you tell me what we are telling? If there is a college forward slash comes, we are asking them to forward to college.urls. Okay. Now,
Okay,
where
sir.
is URLs? Now go to college folder. Go to college folder. Create a URLs. Add a new
Here.
file. In under college folder, add a new file. urls.py. 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 Okay. What you do is, again, you import from, first from Django.urls space Django.urls not capital D.
Small, sir.
Django.urls. Yeah. Import space import path. Okay. Now, next one is next import from next line. Next line. Hello? Hello? Deepa, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Next line. I'm not audible.
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Next line. Yeah, from dot space dot space space import space views. What we are doing is we are importing the view what we written. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now press enter, enter. All small letters, URL patterns. See, what we are doing is, if you want, go to the other URL, URL patterns equal to create a list. A list is a square bracket, start square bracket. Yeah, press enter. Press enter. Yeah, you need to write a path. Path within bracket. Now, for about, right? We are writing about, correct? We are writing
Yes, sir.
about. Single quotes about. Single quotes about forward slash comma. Where it need to go? Where it need to go? Views dot
My.
type Deepa. Views dot about. Yeah, that's it. Now what you do is, now you save all the files. Save all the files. File save all. Yeah. Now you go to that command prompt. Py manage run server. No, not there, ma. In
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
py space manage .py space run server. Yeah, now press enter. Now go to the browser and say college/about HTTP localhost. Hello? Hello? Hello, Deepa?
That's it, sir.
No, /college/about. /college/about.
That's I've written, sir.
Yeah, press enter.
Welcome to
Welcome to
lab.
Lab Tech. Now you go back to that view. Go back to that view. Go back to that view. Go to that view. View. Yeah. View, Deepa. Yeah, you can change this text and you try whether this is reflecting, not reflect. Save. You need to save.
Save, sir.
Okay. Now you go and refresh that.
It's showing hello world.
Hello. Okay. Now take 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Think through what are all the things we done. What we done? We started the app, new app. Then what we done? We updated in the settings. Deepa, correct?
Yes, sir.
We updated in the settings. Then we went and defined the view, which will process the request and gives the HTTP response. And then we configured in the URL. In the main project URL, we added college component and we created a URL file to process specific. Click on that URL, Deepa, to process about. Now you go to the browser. Go to the browser and you say instead of about one or something, it will give error because you don't know where to go. Correct? Getting what I'm saying, Deepa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You say
Can I check,
anything.
sir?
Try. Yeah. Even enough. Yeah. One you say whatever it is. It says that it only knows college.about admin blah blah blah. It don't know what is college. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when